how to see where you can send and receive end-to-end encrypted message and calls and Messenger app. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Messenger application. Here in Messenger application, go to three line on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon and here scroll down and find the preference section and go to privacy and safety. Okay, tap this. Here in privacy and safety, in security section, you can see here the end-to-end encrypted chat. So you can manage your end-to-end encrypted chat settings. So you can go to this and you can see here the logins. Okay, you can see where you can send and receive end-to-end encrypted message and calls. So you can tap this to show the information where you were logged in. And also you can see the full list by clicking the where you were logged in blue button here. So you can tap this and you can see here the full list where you logged in your account. And here the information of your account. So you can scroll down for more info. And that's it guys, we have successfully see where you can send and receive end-to-end encrypted message and calls and Messenger app.